Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today tutorial will explain how to know if someone opened your Facebook account. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, press on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then click on settings. Click on security and login. Press here where you are logged in and press on see all. Here you can find data where you are logged in before, if you logged in from mobile or from PC. If you discover that someone else opened your account, you can log out directly from here. For example, let's log out from Windows PC here. Press on 3 dot which shown beside this icon. Click on logout. You will find here that you already logged out from this device. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to know if someone opened your Facebook account. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.